Save time, take some rest, and allow this wonderful tool to execute all your tasks on your behalf. With this powerful tool, you can schedule your email to send automatically even when you are away. Isn't that interesting? In this video, I'll be showing you step by step on how to send email automatically and grow your business easily. If you have multiple or single SMTP server that can send only 1000 email per hour, then you need to learn how to schedule your emails hourly so that your email can reach inbox. Overpowering or stressing SMTP server sometimes could cause your email to end up in spam. Alright, first off, you need to properly configure the software, create message, add recipient and SMTP server. Now let's get started. I'll go to my desktop. This is the file, the shortcut of the Bulk Mailer Pro, which is the tool. I'm going to open it. This is the interface of the software. Next, you want to attach the emails you want to send your message to. You can also close this if you don't want to attach the emails presently. At the top here, we have this message, contact, data source, option in, bounce message, template if you want to use template, which we are going to be using in this video, logs and all that stuff. This is when you want to create a new message and so on. So now we are just going to create a new message. So once you click on create message, so you find where you can also attach your recipient from here. See the tool here, you can just click on the tool. Okay, then this will pop up. Okay, so once this pops up, it depends on where you have your email addresses. Now my email addresses, I have them in my TXT file. You can also copy and paste manually, but I'm going to use the one in the test file, so I'll just click test file. Okay, then click next, and it will take you right to your desktop or your document where you have your test or where you have saved your information. So I'll look for the file that I want to import. Okay, all right, so I will select this email list too. Then these are the emails. You can see the email here. Then I'll click on OK. All right, you can also change the default name and email from here. This is Size Systems Limited, and how to change that, you just click on this from. Okay, click on edit, and then you can change them from here and change the email from here. Okay, then you can also add a reply to email if you have any. All right, so I can just use this just for the purpose of this video. I'll just add a reply to email here and then click on OK. All right, and press OK again. Then for the subject, you add a subject here. Grow your business with us using digital marketing tools. All right, so for the body message, we can decide to use template or a kind of copy and paste. All right, so I am going to use HTML, which I already designed. You can click here if you want to edit HTML, then you select from any of the HTML here as your message. Okay, depending on the kind of business you are into. So in my previous video, I actually showed how to edit those templates. So if I select this one, this is the one I already edited, which I'm going to be showing you and which I'm going to be using as my email message. So if I select this, for instance, okay, you just click on select here. All right, so this is the message here. If you want to edit it, which I already showed in my previous video, is just to click on anything or select anything you want to change. You can change this to whatever you want to change it to. You can remove it completely. You can change this one as well. You just select it, then make sure it's on this edit area. Then once you select here, you can just click on the backspace and remove it, then put whatever you want to put there. Okay, then for the picture, I also talked about it in my previous video. Once you click on the picture, you select this edit image or insert image. So once you click on this, you remove this, you replace this image by the one you are going to select from your system. And you can also add a link to this image by clicking on this link area. Okay, but I'm not going to add any links, so I'll just leave it at that. Basically, the previous video will help you to understand how to change everything in this template. Then another thing you can do is, if you are using a CorelDRAW, a Photoshop, to edit any picture to fit to this particular picture you already have on this template, so that you don't have a different thing, you just select the image from here and copy, go to your Photoshop and paste it there to see the size of the image. All right, so this is my Photoshop. Press and hold Ctrl and N together, so it will show you the size of that particular particular image that you copied because it's in your clip pad. Okay, so once you click on OK, it will display the size. It will show the size of that image you just copied. Now you can paste it here. To know the size of this image, you go to your image at the top left, just click on the image to find where you have image size. Meanwhile, you can also see it's the same size that we saw the first time, and if you want to change this image, whatever image you want to use to replace that particular template image will be this size and will be your PNG. All right, I am not going to use this because I can't be editing everything. I already have an edited template which I'll be using for this video. To use the already made templates that you have created, all you need to do is to go to open. All right, click on the open and it will take you to your system, and then select the, I'm going to select from new site, and this is what I already created, the template I already made for my video. So I will just open it and it will automatically change what I have here. Okay, so this is the template I have. If I want to preview it now, if I go to preview area, if you click on this, if you click on the home, it will take you to my home page or my website. We click on about, we take you to the about page of my website. If you click on contact, it will take you to my contact exactly and all that stuff. So whatever link you see here, if you click on this, it will take you to my YouTube channel. Whatever you click here will take you to a part, will lead you to a particular page. Okay, so that is how you edit this particular template to your own taste. All right, so next, once we're done with this, we just click on save. The next thing is to enter the SMTP server we want to use to send our bulk message. So I'll click on settings and then click on SMTP. We already have some SMTP. I'm just going to delete those ones we have here. Delete. Okay, click on this add SMTP. Go to email address. This email address simply means the email address you are sending your mail from. Okay, so I will just add site systems limited. All right, so the next thing is the SMTP server. So the host name is smtp.gmail.com. the port is 465. The username is going to be the email for the SMTP. I'm just going to paste that, and then I'll copy and paste the password of the SMTP and I'll paste it here. All right, so once pasted, you can test the SMTP if it's still functional or not. Okay, so what I will do, I will just click on test SMTP. Okay, then you wait. You have to make sure your internet connection is turned on. All right, so you can see the SMTP is working perfectly. That's why you can see this okay here is okay. So you click on okay and then click okay. All right, so we're done with this section. Well, just have to click okay and leave this. You can edit it if you want to edit. Sometimes if you want to edit this, you want to change, make some changes, you can edit it from here. Okay, now to schedule your email, you have to click on this schedule. All right, then click this once you want to send your emails, the date and the time you want to send this email. But first thing first, you need to check what time is it in your country. So the time is 3:59 p.m. so I will change this time to 4:10 p.m. so once you are done setting that up, you have to click OK. Next, you can create more and more schedule by clicking on this new, then enter the recipient you want to send your message to. Then click on test file, then next, and then select the test file that contains your email. I will go to my desktop there and then click on email list 10. I already selected 2, so I'll select 10. Okay, I have different emails. Those emails contain some of my emails, so we're going to be checking if they actually deliver to my inbox. This subject, I'm going to change it to something else, digital marketing solution. All right, then for the body message, we're also going to import the template we already designed, which is in my desktop. So I will just select that, new site, and then this is the message, the same thing we're going to be sending, and after that you click on save. Okay, next you click on schedule, and then you can click on once, change the time to whatever time you want your emails to go out. You have to enter a different time here. Okay, I think that's 4:20. so once you are done with that, 4:20 p.m. you click on OK. All right, so we have 2 pending emails to send, so we just have to wait. Okay, so once it gets to the exact time of the schedule, you find out that the status of the schedule here will change from new to sending. Okay, so we'll just have to wait. This sent area will change. Alright, so once the sending process is completed, you will see this pop-up message, sending is finished. So you just have to click on this, and as you can see, the sent area has changed. So we'll have to wait for the other time for this to send. So after 10 minutes, this other one has started sending the second schedule. Okay, you can see the status has also changed. Alright, so finally the sending process has been completed for the second schedule. Alright, next we are going to go to our email and check if we have this delivered to our inbox. This is the first email. Okay, you can see we have these 2 emails in our inbox. We have the first one here, which is digital marketing solution, and we have another one here, which is grow your business with us using digital marketing tools. I'm just going to open it. Let's check what we have inside. Okay, so this is actually the emails we forwarded. All right, this is how it will display when you forward your emails to your third parties, and these are the links embedded in it. So when I click on any of the link, it will take me to the uniform resource location of this particular link, that is my YouTube channel. Okay, and let's go to the other email and also check what we have there. So you can see we also have the 2 emails here delivered. This is grow your business and this is digital marketing solutions. Let's click this. Finally, we can check the last one. Meanwhile, you can also check the time of this email delivery. You can see the first time here is 4:10 p.m. and the second one is 4:20 p.m. as rightly scheduled. Now let's check the third one. All right, I think this is the third one, and the same thing applicable to this. And we can also check the time. Let's check the time again. Okay, this one is 4:12 and 4:22 p.m. Okay, so this is how you can schedule your email and send automatically even when you are away. If you find this video helpful, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, like and share with friends. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.